I could eat this vegetable soup every day with rice or fufu without getting bored. Let's make it. I'll start by heating palm oil on medium heat. I'll saute chopped onion until fragrant and translucent, about 2 minutes. Then I add iru and fry until fragrant, about a minute or 2. Now I go in with ground crayfish and fry it for 30 seconds. Do not exceed 30 seconds because you don't want it to get burnt. Next, I go in with ground pepper mix, which is a mixture of onion, red bell pepper, ginger, and Scotch bonnet pepper. While the pepper mix cooks, I'll go ahead and blanch some leaf spinach in hot water and keep it aside. You can use frozen spinach if you prefer. After about 5 minutes, I'll add the seasoning, which is chicken bouillon and salt. Next, I'll add pre-cooked stockfish. This is optional, but it increases taste and flavor. I'll cover partially and cook until the pepper mix is fully cooked, about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will add deboned pre-washed dried fish and pre-cooked assorted meats. Now I add the stock from meats and stockfish. I'll cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then I'll add the blanched spinach leaves and allow to simmer again for additional 2 minutes. And the super delicious soup is ready. My family and friends pair this soup with fufu, white rice, boiled yam, plantains, potatoes, yuca, or bread. Sometimes I eat it on its own as a full meal. Tell me in the comments, what will you pair yours with? Thanks for watching and see you in my next recipe. Bye for now.